Minutes making art. Hey guys, Deja again, back with another video. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. Also, you can add me on Instagram at DamnDej, and you can add my TikTok at DamnDej. I post content there, funny videos, and lash related content as well. So let's get started. The purpose of primer is to prep lashes for the application of lash extensions. So what primer is supposed to do is to remove the proteins, remove any debris, any oils from the skin that can create a type of sticky film that will make lash extensions not adhere properly. And if they can't adhere properly, then they won't cure properly, thus meaning they'll fall off right after the appointment. Another fan favorite is to use just lash shampoo and simply wash your face. It's a big stigma about this because, I mean, honestly, when you come to your lash appointment, your face should be washed anyways, but we do have clients that come after work. We have clients that are getting out of school or just, hey, they just had a long day and they didn't really get a chance to thoroughly wash in the eye area. With me, I like to pretty much wash the client's face if I see makeup on it. I use makeup wipes if I have to, and I will prime, but I won't prime every time. I haven't had any issues in seeing that my retention didn't last with not using primer. I feel like as long as my lashes are clean and dry, I shouldn't have an issue. So the pros of the primer are that it helps with retention, it's easy to apply, and it's affordable. The cons of primer is that primer burns if the eye is open. The primer burns if you use too much. The primer is very liquidy. If you knock over primer, it's gonna fall all over the floor. If you get it into someone's eyes, because of the fact that it's so runny and liquidy, it can really burn and bother them. Now you're dealing with a watery eye, a red eye, and you're getting off to a bad start in the first place. So I don't really like that primer aspect too much. The pros of the lash shampoo. Lash shampoo is a tear-free formula used to clean the client's lashes. So when using this lash shampoo, you're removing any mascara, any makeup, any eyeliner, any dirt, any eye boogers, anything, and you're just working your way in there with a lash brush using water to wash it off, as we all wash our faces. They know not to open their eyes when you're washing their face, so you don't have any burning. It doesn't leave any sticky residue, whereas the primer, I don't know if it does, but the shampoo and the water, I know that I can rinse that a few times and I'm getting everything off. A combo method though is washing the lashes and priming them. When people use it that way, that gives me kind of like a sense of security, I guess, that everything is just very prepped. And that way I can understand. But other than that, I wouldn't recommend that everyone just only doing primer or only doing lash shampoo. I feel like whatever works for you is what works for you, and you should just go with the flow. You know, I recommend doing what works for you. Be sure to leave comments down below what other videos you want to see from me, what other questions you have about the lash industry, what other questions you have about lash products, starting if you're a beginner lash tech, if you're a veteran lash tech and you don't agree with what I'm saying. Let's figure it out. So just go ahead, click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in another video soon.